In this video, we explore a new set of English words from ideology to improvement, focusing on their meanings, common collocations, and real usage. Ideology, a set of beliefs or ideas. He strongly believes in his political ideology. Idiot, a very stupid person. Don't be an idiot. Igloo, a house made of snow. They built an igloo in the snow. Illegitimate, not legal or not accepted. It was an illegitimate claim. He was widely seen as an illegitimate president due to suspected election fraud. Illumination, lighting or light. The street has good illumination at night. Illustration, a picture in a book. The book has beautiful illustrations. Imaginary, not real, only in the mind. He has an imaginary friend. Imagination, the ability to create ideas in your mind. Children have great imagination. Imitate, to copy someone or something. The grandmother likes to imitate her granddaughter when they walk in the park. Imitate means to copy someone, neutral or general. Do an impression is used for humorous imitation, and mock means to imitate someone in a negative or disrespectful way. He does a great impression of the president. They mocked him for his accent. Immaculate, perfectly clean or perfect. Her house is always immaculate. Immaculate originally has a strong religious meaning, especially in Spanish culture, where it refers to the Virgin Mary as pure and without sin, the Immaculate Conception. However, the word is also used more generally in English to mean perfectly clean or flawless. Immediate, happening now or very soon. We need an immediate answer. The situation requires an immediate response from the government. Immense, extremely big. They live in an immense house. Playing for a big team always puts players under immense pressure. Immobile, unable to move. He lay immobile on the ground. It stayed completely immobile, so the predator wouldn't see it. Immoral, not morally right. That was an immoral decision. Immunize, to protect against disease. Children are immunized against viruses. Impeccable, perfect, without mistakes. She has impeccable manners. Her performance was impeccable, with no mistakes at all. Impeding, slowing or blocking progress. Rain is impeding the work. Imperative, extremely important or necessary. It is imperative to act now. Imperfect, not perfect. His English is still imperfect. Imperial, related to an empire. They visited the imperial palace. Impersonal, without emotion or personal feeling. The email sounded impersonal. Impertinent, rude or disrespectful. That was an impertinent question. Impetuous, acting quickly without thinking. He made an impetuous decision. Importance, value or significance. This has great importance. Imprecise, not exact or clear. His explanation was imprecise. Impressionist, related to a style of painting. She loves impressionist art. Imprison, to put in prison. He was imprisoned for years. Improvement, a change for the better. There is clear improvement. There has been a significant improvement in his performance. She is starting to show improvement after weeks of training. There is still room for improvement in his technique. Your presentation was good, but there's still room for improvement. In English, there are many ways to talk about improvement. Expressions like room for improvement are gentle ways to say something could get better, while needs improvement or could be better are slightly stronger but still constructive. Using these phrases naturally can make your English sound more fluent and polite. At Word Warehouse, We explore vocabulary, expressions, and collocations like these to help you gradually improve your English and gain confidence in real-life situations. Now you have a better understanding of these words and how to use them naturally. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.